Hi, I'm Garrett Lane, lead engineer for test development and dynamics applications at Experior Laboratories. Experior Labs provides design verification and qualification test services to military, aerospace, space hardware, satellite, and other industries. As the parts we test here grow in size and complexity, we've grown and invested in the facilities, equipment, and expertise needed to support large test campaigns and space structures. We are proud to participate and be part of the Griffin Lunar Lander program and to help Astrobotic and NASA ensure the success of the Griffin Lunar Lander mission to deliver the NASA Viper water-hunting rover to the lunar South Pole. Here in our high bay vibration lab, we have recently wrapped up acoustic testing and integration activities and are currently running vibration on the structural test model for the Griffin Lander. Behind me, you can see the Griffin structural test model mounted to our Teams table, powered by our new unhold sticky T4000 shaker, set up for horizontal sine vibration testing. For the vertical axis, we designed, fabricated, and proof-loaded structural reinforcements to our head expander to ensure that almost 10-ton, 12-foot by 12-foot lander can be supported and restrained adequately on the shaker. One of Experior Labs' advantages is our ability to provide closed-loop support of test campaigns, with start-to-finish support of all test activities. We assist with lifting and receiving the test article into our high bay facility, as well as instrumenting. We analyze loads and levels and help design fixturing. An in-house fabrication team helps assemble fixturing and support structures, including welding, machining, pneumatics, and hydraulics assembly. The program is overseen by a primary project engineer and project management contact, supported throughout by our technical staff and our experienced test engineers and technicians.